everybody. Welcome to Math in Miss Shar's Kitchen. You know, this pandemic, this COVID-19 makes us do crazy things. And yes, this is my refrigerator. This is where I'm going to be teaching you math. So I hope you're ready. Today, I am going to be teaching you how to multiply decimals. Pretty crazy. If you remember a long time ago, your teachers probably told you, by the end of 5th grade, you're going to be able to multiply, add, subtract, multiply, divide fractions, which we've done. Check mark that, right? And then you're going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. So, today's the day. I'm going to introduce to you how we are going to multiply decimals. But before we get started, I want to remind you of this word because I don't think you've been at home talking about products. Products are the answer to a multiplication problem. I'm going to say it a lot, so I want you to remember what it was, okay? The product, when you see what is the product on a question, what's the answer to a multiplication problem, okay? But we're going to get started today. And our first question I want you to look at is this. We've got 0 and 4/10 times 0 and 2/10. Look at that. All right, well, I know I haven't taught you how to do that yet, but I've taught you something that you can use, and that is 4/10. 4/10. If your light bulb just went off in your brain, mine did too. I can write 4/10 as a fraction, as 4/10. Multiply it by 2/10. Same thing. Oh, 2/10. Oh, wait a second. You're thinking, oh, my genius teachers, they taught me how to do this. Yes, we did. You multiply straight across. Let's do it. What is 4 times 2? I wish I heard a class saying the number 8 right now. 8. And then we multiply our denominators. 10 times 10 is 100. Answer, product, being 8/100. But your original problem came in the form of decimals, meaning your answer needs to come in the form of a decimal. So, let me switch colors here so you can see it a little bit better. We think about 8/100. I'm thinking about my place values would be 0, and the first place value after the decimal point is tenths, and then hundredths. So it's 0, 8. Can you see that? Yes. Answer being 8/100. So you can use your knowledge of fractions to help you with your knowledge of multiplying decimals. So let's get going. Let's try another one here. Now let's also see how this erases on my refrigerator. Oh, not too bad, y'all. Not too bad. All right. This next problem I want you to look at is this. We're going to have 0 and 3/10 times 0 and 5/10. All right. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to think about, let's write these as fractions because I know how to do everything as a fraction. 3/10, all right, that's easy. 3/10 times, easy again, 5/10. Now we're gonna multiply straight across. Numerators, top numbers first, denominators, bottom numbers first. 3 times 5, everyone, so lonely, 15. Hope you got a good laugh out of that. And the denominators, 10 times 10 again, being 100. Answer, 15/100. 15/100. I know my place values. From the right of the decimal, I've got my tenths, hundredths. So I want it to end there. I've got no holes. So I'm going to put a 0 in that ones place. That's a terrible equal sign. I'm so sorry. Equals 0, 15/100. It goes tenths and hundredths. So I want that 5 ending in the hundredths place value. 15/100. These two right here are equal or equivalent. Make sense? Let's do a few more. Let's do a few more. This is fun. This is so fun. All right, let's try another one. Well, I'm going to go a little crazy on you here. I hope you're ready for this. We've got 0 and 11/100 times 0 and 6/10. So I've tricked it just a smidge right here. We did not go for tenths. We're going for hundredths this time. So I'm going to think about 11/100. 11/100. 11 over 100. So I've got 11/100, just like that. You all read that fraction, 11/100, times, same as the ones before, 6/10. 6/10. And then we know we just multiply straight across. So we've got 11 times 6. You know it, 66. 66, denominator. Oh no. 100 times 10. Trick. 1 times 1. 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 66 thousandths. Decimals. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay. I've got this. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. All right. Do I have any holes? Nope. So 0 holes and 0 66. Because remember, the place values are tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And this says 66 thousandths, so my number's got to end in that place value. These two right here being equal. Have I blown your mind yet? I wish I was a cool video editor, you know, have fire coming out of my head. All right, the last one I'm going to show you here, team, before I send you off to try one on your own, a few on your own actually, is this one. We're going to do 0 and 7/100ths times 0 and 9/10ths. What do you think? If you were in my class right now and I said, who can tell me how to write this as a fraction? I hope virtually all your hands are going up saying, pick me. It's the only time you're going to be allowed to say pick me in front of me. I guess behind a screen. 7/100ths. That's easy. 7 numerator, denominator 100. Because it's 7/100ths times, easy, 9/10ths. Okay? Multiply straight across. What is 7 times 9? Anybody? Anybody? Just kidding. Just trying to make myself laugh, you know? 63. And then we multiply those denominators. 100 times 10. Again, if you want to, take the zeros off. What's 1 times 1 is 1. How many total zeros? 1, 2, 3. 63 thousandths. That is so very tiny. Look, really, really little. All right. Now, time for our answer in a decimal. Because awesome, you can do this really cool work in fractions, but you got to put in decimals because the original problem came as a decimal. So, your answer, can you see the pink? Oh, yeah. We're going to write 63 thousandths. 63 thousandths. After that decimal point, I've got my tenths, my hundredths, my thousandths. So I want 63 to end in that thousandths. I've got no holes. No tenths, 63 thousandths. Once again, these two right here being equal. That is the basics of multiplying decimals. So, I want you to click that next button on your module, and I want you to go give it a practice, okay? Give it a practice. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of your teachers and be ready, because tomorrow, Mr. Han's gonna blow your mind once again. The fire. I'm gonna figure that out. He's gonna teach you how to do more complex numbers than just the tenths and the hundredths and simple numbers. He's gonna really blow your mind. So I hope you're ready for that. If you guys have questions, reach out to us. We're here to help you. Bye, guys.